to Arcadia Academy. We are a British international school with over 100 students. Our school is surrounded by stunning nature near the Adriatic Sea, and our mission is to develop the thought leaders of tomorrow.
To investigate the domino effect. Let me explain what it is. The domino effect is a chain reaction. There are two types of energy involved in the domino effect: potential energy and kinetic energy.
Potential energy is stored energy of position of an object, and kinetic energy is energy of object in motion.
Each domino is full of potential energy. When the first domino falls, the force of energy turns the potential energy into enough kinetic energy to topple the next domino.
Taller, heavier dominoes store more potential energy. That energy will continue to pass as long as each falling domino. Kinetic energy can easily overcome the potential energy as next falling domino.
We are going to find out whether a small domino can knock over a larger, heavier domino than itself. We will arrange the dominoes in a line, starting from the smallest and moving on to bigger ones. Next, we will gently push the first and smallest domino to see if it will have enough force to topple over the next dominoes.
That a smaller toppling domino has enough momentum to push over a bigger one. Momentum is the quantity of motion of a moving body. So it is possible to set up a row of successively larger dominoes that can be toppled by the push of a small one in the beginning.